Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be installing this 99J wig that I received from UNice Hair Company, y'all. This wig is so beautiful. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't generally do a lot of color, and I was super nervous when they were like, oh yeah, we want to send you over this wig. I'm like, what? Me? What? I was like, okay, you know what, I'll try it. So you guys saw how the wig came out of the box. I did try to bleach the knots. For some reason they really wouldn't bleach like that, but I mean my install still came out pretty well. You guys know how I do if you've been following me. Go ahead and do my ball cap method. I'm always using Ericka J products, so I'm kind of going to let these clips play a little bit. Just make sure that you try to match your color as perfectly as you can, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the install. In this video, I did my ball cap a little differently. I don't know if I really liked it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Do it look perfect, or it looks a little, I don't know, it looks a little off to me. But one thing I do want to say about this wig is that sometimes UNice wigs, they come a little short on the sides, and that's something I'll probably email them about, like, hey, everybody don't have a small head, so probably email them about that. But the hair is super soft. It feels really great. I didn't really deal with a lot of bleeding of the hair color. I don't know if I actually dealt with any at all, but this hair is giving me life. Like, I think this is my hair color. Like, I really love this wig. I wish I wouldn't have took it off so soon, but that's just Cra'Deja for you. I don't know what's up with me and snatching off my wig so quickly, but y'all, I just love this wig so much. Like, I want this wig in every style, in every texture, like everything. UNice, send me a curly wig like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my next ball cap method, and I'm gonna put my next layer of glue on, and then we're gonna be applying this wig. So as you guys see, I am applying my wig, and I can honestly say when it comes down to colored hair, for some reason for me, I have to pluck a lot, like a whole lot, because if I don't, it's not going to give me that scalp look, that flesh look that I need, that I want. Like, the plucking that I did, it looked great on the mannequin, but on the human, I was like, okay, I'm going to have to go in a lot more. So I did pluck a lot of hair out. As you guys will see in the very next clip, I believe, I was indecisive about how I wanted my hair. Like, I was like, do I want a middle part? Do I want a side part? Do I want a ponytail at the top? Of course, you guys already know what I end up deciding on. However, I did not know what I wanted to do. This wig is just bomb. If you guys end up buying this wig, please tag me on Instagram at Hair by Cra'Deja. So here it is now. I'm planning to see how I really want to style this hair. You guys let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Should I have left it at the middle part? Should I have done the side part? Or should I have done what I did and just went ahead and done the ponytail at the top? One thing I can say, for some reason, I don't know why, they are making the wigs with the 2 inches, like 1 inch or whatever on the sides. I really hate that, because as you can see with me trying to part this side part, it's like I'm running into tracks, and it's like it give you that egg look, like you got an egg head or something. We're not trying to be walking around with egg heads, and that's one thing I do regret about how I did this install. I pushed my ponytail too far back. If y'all recreate this look, do not pull your ponytail that far back. Like, don't do it, girl. Don't do it. So here it is. I am cutting the lace. Y'all just use a razor. It's simple, it's easy. Use a brand new razor. Don't use a dull one. because your laces aren't going to be all jacked up and all that. Use a brand new razor, and it's super, super easy to cut. If you are still using scissors to cut your lace, I'm gonna need you to upgrade to this razor. You guys already know the drill. Go ahead and lift up the extra pieces that did not get laid down and apply your glue. And yeah, we're about to get ready to melt this lace. And I can't wait until you guys just see the styling of this hair. Like, I just love it so much. Another thing, I did not do my baby hairs on camera. Oh yeah, I know y'all, like, it's just, this install was literally probably the hardest install that I've done on myself, simply because it's a little bit more intricate. It doesn't seem like it would be that hard, but it kind of is, I won't even lie, especially with the plucking and just trying to make everything look super, super good and super natural. So the baby hairs in itself were just giving me it was just giving me a hard time. And I'm just trying to see, like, what am I gonna do? So go ahead and secure your lace and put that elastic band on. I will be selling these very, very soon, so you guys will be able to see this on my website. It's a lot of stuff coming, y'all, on my website. It's gonna be wigs, it's gonna be ready to wear wigs, it's gonna be custom order wigs, it's gonna be it's gonna be a lot. So y'all don't sleep on me, and yeah, stay tuned for what's to come. I'm thinking about doing some like 3-in-1. Well, not really 3-in-1 because I'm not really that good at makeup, but I'm thinking about doing some 2-in-1 videos, like maybe some hair and outfit videos or whatever. Let me know what y'all think about that. So pretty much here I am carving out how I want my ponytail, and I think I went with a little bit less hair than what I had initially grabbed right here. You see what I mean? Like, I feel like I pull it too far back. So when y'all do this style, do not put it this far back. This is not your natural hair. You cannot do that. Just put it a little forward. But you guys can see how well it came together in the end. So yep, go ahead and tie your elastic. And I was a little bit indecisive as if I wanted to do curls or crimps. So I ended up showing you guys both. I did a curl on one side, I did a crimp on the other side, and yeah, in the ponytail, I think I did both, a curl and a crimp. So you guys will see, just to be able to get a look and feel and see how you want to wear yours. But this is just simply how I wore mine and how I decided to, you know, go with it. Those crimps were beautiful with this hair color though. Like, I need this wig and everything. I definitely like the curl at the top more. So I was like, nah, let's go ahead and go with the curls on the ends or whatever. I love that look. It's so flirty and, you know, feminine. And I don't know. I just really, really like that look. So it's a whole vibe for me. As you can see, girl about to snap off this elastic band and scalp melted. Like, honey, you look great. So I was super happy that it came out really, really good. And I'm about to go ahead and do these baby hairs. Give y'all that zoom in. Let me know what y'all rate this hairstyle. 1 out of 10. I definitely rate this hairstyle a 10. I rate this color a 10. I rate this wig a 9.5. Like, I just love this. Yeah, the baby hairs gave me a run for my money. I didn't even really want to do my baby hairs like this, but it was so hard to do. So, yeah, you guys almost finished with their hair. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Hair by Cra'Deja. Follow your girl. You guys will be seeing more videos from me. I got a couple of ideas. You guys shoot stuff to my DM like, oh girl, try this, do this. And I will be sure to get back with y'all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Knew all that shit from the start. Asking myself, I walk up on that bitch and she leave all that shit in the dark.